Getting enough sleep is incredibly important for your overall health. Hi, my name is Tara Venn, registered dietitian, and today I want to share some foods that are good for catching some Z's. First up, chamomile tea. Your grandmother probably told you to drink chamomile tea before bed, and I'm going to tell you the same thing. Chamomile contains apigenin, which binds to receptors in the brain that may promote sleepiness. If you don't like chamomile tea, give passion flower tea a try. Passion flower tea has been studied for its potential to reduce anxiety. Once again, it's the apigenin. Apigenin is not just great for sleepiness, it also can create an overall calming effect. Next up, almonds. Almonds are a great source of melatonin along with magnesium, a mineral that may help sleep quality. Magnesium does this by reducing levels of the stress hormone cortisol, which is known to interrupt sleep. Try eating a handful 2 hours before bed or opting for an almond dessert after dinner. You know how everyone's sleepy after Thanksgiving turkey? Well, turkey is my next recommendation. Turkey contains tryptophan, which increases the production of the sleep-regulating hormone melatonin. Combine that with its protein, which may also help with sleepiness, and you have a powerful recipe for better sleep. My final suggestion is tart cherry juice. Tart cherries contain a high content of melatonin. Sound familiar? On top of that, tart cherries also contain tryptophan and anthocyanins. These two compounds may help the body create melatonin and lengthen its effects. I recommend buying unsweetened tart cherry juice concentrate and taking 2 tablespoons before bed. If it's too sour for you on its own, just mix it with a glass of water. If you want to experience the benefits of these sleep-enhancing foods, try eating or drinking them about 2 to 3 hours before bed. Eating just before bed can cause digestive issues, which would impact your sleep, so give your body some time to digest before turning in. I hope these foods help you get the rest you need, and I will see you next time on another episode of Food Fix.